Hello 18! Update pa rin tayo sa ating The King of P-Pop, ang nag-iisang SB19. Sa In-Rock Magazine sa Japan, very supportive sila sa concert ng simula at wakas dahil heto nga, talagang binandera nila at pinapublish at inalathala na sold out talaga ang ticket ng simula at wakas maliban sa pag-mention ng In-Rock Magazine, ang SB19 ay kasama sa coverage ni Ed Sheeran sa kanilang cover this year. Heto nga ang In-Rock Magazine na kung saan na binandira din nila o pinopromote nila na may interview sila with SB19, the King of P-Pop. Yan po, naka-Japanese language at ito po ang translation ng kanilang publication. Notice of publication of interviews in Japan. While the excitement of SB19 sold out Japan tour is still going strong, we conducted a special interview with them. While they were in Japan, we bring you photos full of the members' charms, as well as an extremely long interview in which they talk extensively about everything from their world tour to their views on music and their deep gratitude to 18. Please wait a little longer for the details of the issue to be released. O diba? Congrats!